Evaluation of antipsychotic drugs using Cox-Paul climbing apparatus. It is based on principle of ability of psychotropic drugs to avoid conditioned response. This apparatus was used for inducing stable baseline behavior. The chamber for the animal is fabricated from clear perspex sheet. The button of the chamber is fitted with chrome plated bars to make a grill. The apparatus is also equipped with light and sound stimulus for stimulating the animal. A shock can be applied to animal through brass bars. The shock strength 1400 volt, 5 Hz or zero point 0.2 milliamps. This build is built in the apparatus. One can apply the shock to the animal either manually or up to the controlled duration. Both the options are available in the apparatus. Delay of shock application to the animal and the shock duration are controlled by built-in 11 positions timer. Output for connection to chemograph or recorder is brought out on terminals for the front panel. The control panel is fitted on the right hand side of the instrument and is clearly marked with each function. The front panel is also provided with protective door. A drop-in tray which is removable for cleaning is provided under the chamber. The complete apparatus is housed in a beautiful wooden cabinet. Now the requirements are saline 0.5 ml per kg, second scopolamine 0.5 mg per kg, chloropromazine 3 mg per kg, clozapine 1 mg per kg, and last one is unknown drug 1 mg per kg. Now the instructions are: select animals of both sexes and divide them into groups consisting of 3 animals in each group. Group receiving saline serve as control. The other two group receives freshly prepared test and unknown respectively through intraperitoneal route 2 hours prior to the experiment. Training. Learn the rats to jump on a pole to avoid foot shock. Use a tone of 50 Hz as the conditioned stimulus and a foot shock of 1 milliamp as the unconditioned stimuli. Train the animals to climb the pole to escape shock by placing in the apparatus. In the training procedure, initially allow the animal to adapt in the chamber for a 1 minute, then train them how to avoid electric shock by responding promptly to danger signal, that is buzzer sound, for a period of 15 seconds each. End the trial either after the animal respond by jumping on the pole or after 30 seconds, whichever was earlier. Give such trial for all selected animals every day for 7 to 8 days. Test the animals for learning process before and after drug treatment for retention of memory of painful stimuli developed in the learning process. Response of animal to a signal is termed as conditioned response, while the response to the noxious stimuli referred as unconditional response. Inject 1 ml of saline to control group and place the animal in pole climbing apparatus and give buzzer sound followed by electric shock after 20 seconds and note the response. The same procedure is to be done for the other two groups receiving test and unknown drug respectively, and the data of avoidance or escape latency in seconds should be taken for 3 days and the readings are compared. Now performing the experiment, provide the buzzer to the now inject saline control group. Press the buzzer. Are maintained for the normal saline, that is response to buzzer was positive, response to electric shock was also positive. Now we will inject scolo. Press the buzzer, then electric shock, again second rat. Press the buzzer, current. Now we will see the observation. The treatment group 1 contains drugs called polyamine. Response to buzzer was negative and the response to electric shock, that is UR response, is positive. Now we will inject chloropromazine. Press the buzzer, current. Again next. Now we will see the observations for chloropromazine. The second group contained chloropromazine drug and the CR was negative and UR is positive. Now we will go for another drug, that is clozapine. Now take the animal, press the buzzer, apply the current. Again next animal, press the buzzer, current. Now we will see the observation for clozapine. The group 3 contain clozapine drug and the CR is negative, UR is positive. Now we will go for the unknown drug. Take the animal, buzzer, current. There is no response. Again next animal. Now we'll go for the observation. So the group 4 contain unknown drug to which the mice give CR negative and UR also negative.